Rodeo for me is more than a hobby. It is driven by the people sharing the same passion. It is a way of life.
I think rodeo is more than just fun, it's more than just adrenaline rush. Kagaya nung sinabi nung pumasok ako dito, it's